push button settings. Great. On my old one, you had to turn the shower head part, and it was hard to change settings. This one is really nice. Here we go. Loving it. Let's see this push button. I'll show it to you here. It's a nice stream of water. Yeah. There's a different setting. I like this one the best when I'm rinsing my hair. It's great. Nice pressure. Loving it. There you go. Enjoy.
If you live in an apartment building and are sick of the given shower head, then you need to switch to this filtered handheld one. The super long hose makes it easy for rinsing off cleaning products on the walls as well as bathing your pets. And not only that, but it's helpful for your own personal shower as well. On the shower head itself, there is a button that changes the spray modes. You can have it on rainfall, mix, or massage. I switch out the mode depending on what I'm doing, but typically leave it on mix. This has made bathing my dog as well as my overall shower experience significantly better, and I hope it does for you as well.
Okay, here's the first one.
Look at this, it's leaking. I've tried Homer's tape, I've tried readjusting the washers, and this fucker is just leaking everywhere. It's the worst. Just save your money. I don't know if it's a chain link somewhere or what, but it was good while it lasted. 15 bucks a month.
After installing the shower head, I checked it and there's more chlorine than when I started. Don't waste your money. And the pH is still 7.8, which is where it started. So don't waste your money.
just walked out and I muted a frog like